2012 Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, air conditioning, front, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, power windows, compass. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.